Hello everyone, welcome back to Check Technology. In this video, I will show you how to create a subdomain in cPanel, step-by-step process. Before we create one, I'd like us to understand what a subdomain really is. A subdomain is simply an extension of your main domain. A subdomain acts as a mini website under your main domain. Now, businesses use them for blog, support portal, shops, and special campaign. Now, all hosted under your main domain. If you can view on the screen now, you have this demo.ochecktechnology.com. My main domain is ochecktechnology.com, and here's my subdomain, which is demo, and that's what we're going to be working on today. Your HTTPS is your protocol, and this is my extension .com. I'm using .com. Yours can be .org. Yours can be .info. As many extensions we have, but here's where we are focusing on our demo, which is demo.ochecktechnology, and it's standing for us as our subdomain. So quickly, let us jump into it. You log into your cPanel. Mine is up already, and you want to locate from your cPanel tools where your subdomain is. You can click on this search icon, and you can type domain, and from here you can create and manage your domain. You can also create your subdomain here, while you can also scroll down and look for where your domain is. There is my domain, and here is my domain. You click on it, get to the environment for your domain, and as you can see in my own, I have some already, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be creating a new one. So let's click on create a new one, and under create a domain, you type the prefix you want. For example, if you look at where my cursor is, you are looking at something like my.example.com. My domain name is Ocheck Technology, so I'm going to just use, like I said, I'm going to be using demo.ochecktechnology.com. and then here are some other information you just need to do. If you open this check, you share your document with your root HTML, this, or you could just leave it, let it be inside our public. So I'm just going to leave every other thing like that. I've written my domain, my subdomain here, which is demo.ochecktechnology.com. The next thing I'm going to do now is to submit. And if you look at it now, I say you have successfully created a new domain.ochecktechnology under this place. And then let's check. Now you can see it is here. If I click here now, it takes me down to that page, and here is it. Said you do not have permission to access this additional blah 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 blah. And yeah, that's just because we're just creating it. Now if I also click here, I go down to locate where this file, my document root, is, and here is it. You can locate it right here. This is my public.html. Then if you go down, you see demo is already here, and there is nothing in it. So we have successfully created the subdomain. So before we wrap up this subdomain tutorial, I like to create a file inside here and be sure that we are seeing it. I'm going to be naming this index.html, and this is that new file. I'm going to be opening it to edit. And I'm just going to be writing a simple word here. Welcome to your subdomain. So I'm going to be saving this. Close this. So now I want us to refresh and go back there. So now you see, it says welcome to your subdomain, and then if you look at the top, you have demo.ochecktechnology.com. So you can also delete and redirect this subdomain. Now in doing that, you have this two button here. The first one is to manage. Now we click on it, take us to manage it. At this place, you can decide to delete it. Remembering when you are deleting it, it's no longer existing anymore. but we're not deleting now. You can decide to modify the redirect of that page, and when you come here, you can fill in your information. I think in our next video we'll work on this, adding redirects to our pages, to our subdomain, and then you can create an email for this new domain, just like the way we did in creating an email in cPanel. You can create an email. If you look at it now, it's pointing to at demo.ochektechnology.com. So you can put your info, you can put your sales, and the rest over here. So let's take some common mistakes and tips beginner makes while creating or using subdomain. Mistake 1: using too many subdomain. This can confuse user and affect your search engine optimization. That's your SEO. Mistake 2: deleting subdomain folder manually from file manager instead of using cPanel. This can break the link. Mistake 3: forgetting to install an SSL certificate for your subdomain. It's always advisable to put on your security for your subdomain. Now here are some security tips. 1: use clear names like shop, blog, portal, so user knows what each one does. Always secure each subdomain with your SSL security certificate. Treat each subdomain like a mini website. It can have its own custom management system, its own theme, it can have its own design, which might be unique. Yeah, and that's how you create and manage subdomain in cPanel. Simple and powerful. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Ochek Technology, turn on the notification bells so you don't miss on our next tutorial. In our next video, we will cover how to set up an important feature that keeps your link working smoothly. I'd like you to drop a comment below if there is any specific cPanel topic you would love to see next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.